In the vast expanse of history, few events resonate with the force of a divine echo, shaping the destiny of millions. For the nascent Muslim community, this echo sounded across the desert sands in the year 624 CE, a moment that would forever be etched in time. It all began with a journey of hope against a backdrop of persecution. The Hijra, the migration of Prophet Muhammad and his followers from Mecca to Medina, was not merely a change of location. It was the birth of a community, a state, and a new chapter for Islam. Fleeing oppression, they established a sanctuary in Medina, but the shadow of the powerful Quraysh tribe of Mecca loomed large, threatening their very existence. This tension was destined to culminate in a confrontation that would test the limits of their faith. The catalyst arrived with news of a wealthy Quraysh caravan, led by Abu Sufyan returning from Syria. In an attempt to reclaim the wealth that had been confiscated from them in Mecca, a small Muslim force, numbering just over 300, set out. They were poorly equipped with few swords and camels, but rich in spirit and conviction. Hearing of this, the Quraysh dispatched a formidable army of 1,000 men, clad in mail and armed to the teeth, determined to crush the Muslims once and for all. The two sides were set on a collision course. Fated to meet at the wells of Badr, on the 17th of Ramadan, the battle commenced. The air crackled with tension as champions from both armies stepped forward for single combat. Despite being outnumbered and outmatched, the Muslim warriors fought with extraordinary courage, fueled by their unwavering belief. As the lines clashed, the small band of believers stood firm against the mighty Quraysh onslaught. Islamic tradition holds that at this critical juncture, they were reinforced by divine aid, a host of angels descending to fight alongside them, turning the tide in a spectacular fashion against overwhelming odds. The victory at Badr was absolute and profound. It was a military and strategic triumph that secured the nascent Muslim state in Medina and announced its arrival as a formidable new power in Arabia. More importantly, it was a monumental spiritual victory, seen as a clear sign of God's favor and a validation of their faith. Badr became a symbol of the impossible made possible, a timeless lesson that with faith, courage, and divine will, even the smallest of forces can overcome the greatest of challenges. This defining moment was not just a battle for wells in a desert, but a struggle for the very soul of a new faith. Its legacy endures as a powerful testament to the triumph of belief over brute force, a story of hope that continues to inspire generations.